370Z. Make some noise for Austin. All right, and then next into ZR1, Jonathan Sason. This is going to be a good race. Both of you guys have been really putting it down. We're waiting for the green light from Old Cleater Skeeter. He's giving the flagman the go-ahead. The flagman's on the balls of his feet. And we have the flag! We're clinching the first. We're winning the first race. To lose it. That's how he's saying that to save on to it.
He told me he comes to center, he dies at white. Oh, he's up at second ball. Here we go. Here we go, guys.
Who's ready to see some good side-by-side racing? This is a good start. That inside line is one of our favorites. Okay, guys, we got Jonathan in the ZR1 and Austin, the crazy man, in the 370Z.
Here we go, flagman is armed and ready, green flag. Here we go. They're off! You should be proud of yourself because you put on a good show for these cars. And now you've got drapes on the right side of your car. You got blinds. What's up?